Hello, my name is Zaid. I am a civil law professor at the United Arab Emirates University. My paper is entitled Protection of Individual Property in the Emirate of Dubai Real Estate Expropriation Law number 2 of 2022 in light of narrowing the concept of public benefits. In this paper, I discussed the protection of individual property in the Emirate of Dubai Real Estate Expropriation Law of 2022, under which the legislator in the Emirate of Dubai has narrowed the concept of public benefit and defined the conditions and mechanism of expropriation. The research carried out has sought to answer many questions, such as to what extent Dubai legislation protect individual property rights, what is the difference between the concept of public benefit and the concept of public interest, and what's the criteria adopted by the judiciary to define the fair compensation that should be given to the property owner. In this research, I adopted a mix of descriptive, analytical, and inductive approach to thoroughly evaluate and link legislative text and judicial rulings. Significance of the research emanates from the fact that the property right is among the basic and sacred rights required by human instincts. It constitutes a main pillar of legal systems, and its protection is stipulated in international declarations and charters and in most national constitutions. Despite the sanctity of the property right, however, the state may have to encroach upon it under pressing needs for urban planning, development projects, and infrastructure services. In such cases, the state may resort to using compulsory means to obtain real estate according to the constitutional principle of expropriation for public benefit, and this is the case in the UAE in general and Dubai in particular. The main findings are: first, international declaration, charters, and covenants, along with the national legislation, recognize the need to protect the right of property and stipulate that this right may not be violated except in accordance with the rules of the law. Second, expropriation is one of the most dangerous interference with the right of a property and a privilege conferred on the government, exercising its duties toward individuals and society. This privilege is not absolute. It's constitutionally restricted to exercise in the public benefit and in exchange for fair compensation. The research recommends adding an article to the 2022 expropriation law for the purpose of setting controls and standards of public benefit in order to prevent different interpretations by the judiciary. It also recommends amending some articles relevant to authority of the expropriation committee and suggests introducing a right to appeal the expropriation committee's decision before the Dubai Real Estate Court. For more detailed information about the topic, I strongly encourage you to read the full paper, which is published in the Malaysian Journal of Sharia and Law, August 2024 issue, volume 12, number 2. Thank you.